Hello everyone. Right, today we're going to do a little tutorial, very fast one, about making sure your photos are private on Facebook, on your personal page. And talking of I'm trying not to say as many, so please let me know how many I do in this video. Let me know in the chat. I'm going to try and reduce them down over the next few weeks. Try not to say it. It's very irritating, but I do it. So yes, today we're going to look at photos. And why is this important? Let me share my screen with you. The reason it's important is when you've got a business page on Facebook, you want to be shouting out to the world about your business. And this includes to your friends and family as well, making sure there's a link on your personal page to your business page. Now, if we scroll down here, this is my page here, and scroll down here, it will say here, team members. I want everyone to know that I am the team member because that links my friends to this page, it links my page back to who I am. So if friends of friends know that I run this page, they're more likely to invest in what I do because people buy from people. Now, you can have this private if you want. You don't have to have this here, but I choose to make people aware that I run this page. But this is visible to everybody who visits your page. So you need to make sure that your personal page is 100% clamped down and private. So if we click onto my personal page here, where we go view activity log, you can click on these three dots. And this will let you view as someone who isn't your friend. This will show you what your page looks like to random people who might visit your page who aren't actually your friends. Okay. So if we scroll down here, obviously you have your cover photo. You can't make that private. I make a link. This is my business. This is where I've worked previously. That's fine, that's all on LinkedIn. People can see that if they want to. When I joined, doesn't have my birthday on there, because obviously I'm far too young. But no, birthdays are, again, it's private information. You don't want to be sharing your date of birth and things like that. Now, I have got a post that's public, and I chose that. I went into this post. You can click on three dots at the top of your post in your feed, and you can choose to make that public. All my other posts are completely private that I set up in the settings. But this, I was advertising my Facebook ads group, so ads training, so I chose to make this public. Other than that, all these are just when I've updated my profile pictures, which are public. There's no other information on there. My friends are completely private as well. People can't click on there and see who my friends are. So how do you make photos public? Private. That's what we're after. So we'll close this down, close this view down. So this is my page as I see it. So I want to go into my photos here. Now click on an album. I'm going to click on my son's 9th birthday party. And we go into edit here and privacy. So this is the key one, privacy. As you can see, only my friends can see this album. Now you can drill that down as much as you like to only me. I can make it only me. I can make it only family, but I'm happy for friends. When you see a globe, that means everybody can see it, whether you're friends or not. So always click. So if I could click it, don't want it to be public, I'm going to click it and make it friends. And then just save. Now, unfortunately, Facebook being Facebook, you're going to have to go through all your albums and do this. There's no sort of easy way of doing it. It is a bit annoying. And also go through your photos as well and do the same thing. So click on your photos. Make sure that they are private. So edit, and again, make sure it just says your friends. Okay, and that is it basically. So again, view activity log, view as. This will tell you what people can see. So important. So make sure you go through and check and make those photos private. Okay, hopefully not too many M's today, but no doubt a lot more than I thought. So I will see you again soon. And thanks for listening. Let me know if that was helpful. Let me know how many M's I did. I'm sure didn't do very well. Anyway, I will see you all later. Okay, thanks. Bye.